He was one of Chicago's most powerful aldermen once upon a time, and now Ed Burke's future is in the hands of a jury. He is charged with racketeering, extortion, and bribery in one of the most significant public corruption cases in years. Our political reporter, Marianne Ahern, is on this case. She is live from the courthouse tonight with the very latest. Marianne.
Good evening, Allison. The deliberations began at 2:15 this afternoon. How long might they go? Well, that is anyone's guess. But certainly after 6 weeks of trial, more than 35 witnesses, there is certainly much to consider for this jury. His birthday is days away. Former Alderman Ed Burke, once known as simply the chairman. His title for leading Chicago's City Council Finance Committee now waits to hear if a jury of 9 women and 3 men will send him to prison. Burke faces 14 federal counts with a potential 20 years in prison if found guilty. His defense attorneys say prosecutors presented a lot of noise and confusion and maintain his innocence.
This is a man who understood how to maximize power and how to get what he wanted.
Lori Lightfoot tangled with Burke while she was mayor. As a former federal prosecutor, Lightfoot emphasized the importance of the body cam footage and secretly recorded phone calls that are key to this case. Former Alderman Danny Solis, who became a government informant when the feds presented him with his own wrongdoing, was not called by prosecutors, but the defense did, grilling Solis for his motivation to save himself. Solis wore a wire for more than 2 years, and it led to the Burke indictment. One case targeting Burke for allegedly steering a developer of the old post office to hire Burke's law firm, and 3 other separate scenarios that the feds say, quote, the crimes occurred at the intersection of power and opportunity. Dick Simpson is a former alderman and retired political science professor.
I'm certain that Ed Burke thinks that he did not break the law in any form. He probably doesn't contest that there were conflicts of interest, but he's pretty confident he didn't break the law. That's simply the way people see themselves. 2
others, a Burke key staffer in his ward and a developer, are also charged. So the jury has deliberated for a little under 3 hours, just learning that they have ended for the day. If they do not reach a verdict by Friday at the end of business, Judge Kendall has said they will have Christmas week off and return on January 3rd. Reporting live from the Dirksen Courthouse, Marianne Ahern, NBC 5 News.
Something we'll be watching very closely through the week. Thanks, Marianne.